back, guys. Thank you for clicking on this video once again. This is Tonia R, ready to serve you some good looks and a very nice video. Here we go. Today, what I'm going to talk about today is actually going to be quite serious. It's something I learned about a few weeks ago, and I just felt like I should share it with you guys and I should share it with people so that there can be more awareness about it. Anorexia nervosa and bulimia. According to Oxford Learner's Dictionary, anorexia nervosa is an emotional disorder characterized by an obsessive desire to lose weight by refusing to eat. Bulimia is an emotional disorder characterized by a distorted body image and an obsessive desire to lose weight, in which bouts of extreme overeating are followed by fasting or self induced vomiting or purging. Okay, that was a trigger warning. If this video is going to be disturbing or is going to affect you in any way, if it's going to trigger you to become anorexic, you should stop watching it now. Before I start saying anything, I just want to let you guys know that I am not in any way anorexic. I have never been anorexic, and it's just something that has really bothered me for a while, and it's just something that I learned about, and I was like, oh wow, this disease actually exists and it's real and it's kind of scary. Okay, I first learned about anorexia when I was very little. Actually, I think I was about 13 or 14 when I was going through a magazine. It was during Christmas time, and there was this Christmas magazine on the table. As I don't know, I can't really remember, but I was going through a magazine. It was a very nice magazine, actually, very fun. This magazine had a lot of a lot of stories of people, and their different life stories on it and what they've been through. I remember one guy was hospitalized by his dog. I think he forgot to feed his dog for like a very long time, and the dog like bit him, and so he had to be in the hospital. So in that magazine, I also came across this story of a girl who was anorexic. She I can't really remember, but I remember that she was really skinny. There was a picture of her. She was really, really skinny. She told us about how she talked about how she stopped eating because she felt like she was too fat, or people were telling her that she looks better when she's skinny and all of that. Apparently this disease is actually very, very common among people. Most people that it is actually common among athletes, people who do a lot of sports, people who have a people who most of their daily lives they always exercise, they're always up and running. People who have been bullied because of their weight, people who they keep telling that they're too fat, even when they look all right. Basically, what anorexia is that it makes you very, very self-conscious. So how does anorexia nervosa and bulimia develop? The first thing you need to know is that let's use an example of someone who is always bullied because of his or her weight. The first thing the person would think is, oh, okay, I can fix this. I can just cut down on my diet. I can stop taking so much calories, and I can just start eating more healthy foods. So it's not really like an obvious symptom. The symptoms are not so obvious, actually. The person can just cut down on foods that have a lot of calories and all that, and it'll be looking very normal. And in fact, the person will start losing weight within like 2-3 weeks. The person has started losing a lot of weight, and people will just be like, oh wow, you started losing weight, that's so nice. Oh yeah. And it gets to the point where the person starts eating less than 3 times daily. The person starts eating 2 times or even once. I've seen cases, or I've heard of cases where someone will just eat one apple for the whole day, and she starts hiding her food, or she starts throwing her food away. And these people get really, really, really skinny, and it becomes unhealthy, it becomes a problem. Basically, what anorexic patients do is, one, they stop eating, or they reduce the way they eat, over exercise, they start exercising too much, they start jogging for more hours than the body can handle. It's very scary to me, and I just felt like an awareness is necessary. You or anyone, or you can be a cause of someone's anorexia if you're not careful. Okay, so that's it for now. I hope you've learned something very relevant. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, I love you. If you didn't like it, I'm so sorry. Tell me what you think in the comments about anorexia nervosa and bulimia. Please subscribe, comment, like, and tell me I look good, because I do. Woo! I'll see you guys in the next video.